if the stopcock in your house starts leaking, especially when you open and close it many times recently, so the most probably is that this gland is become loose. So as you see here, the water is coming off. So what you need to do, you just need to tighten it using an adjustable spanner. I've got the small one, because this nut will become loose. Sometimes this works, sometimes if it's still leaking, so what you can do, you can apply a PTFE tape, plumbing tape, on the thread inside. So basically you need to unscrew it completely. Then using plumbing tape, you can apply it like this. This should be enough. And now it should work.